Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done. I love all things planning and planners, and Erin Condren is one of the best brands out there. And today for you, I am going to be unboxing her brand new life planner.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Erin Condren has the best packaging. So we got a little card, create your own sunshine. It's a little postcard you can send. It always comes with such great stuff. Okay, so this is like Christmas for me. I actually ordered this for my mom. She wanted help with a planner. I've had Erin Condren's in the past and loved them, but yeah, I use a Plum Paper Planner now, and I knew that she would really love the Erin Condren, and it's maybe gonna make me jealous and switch back, I don't know. So it comes with a clear ruler that snaps off. That's really more of a bookmark, so you can keep track of the day you're on with this. And it's all customizable. I thought she would really like this cover. I'm obsessed with it as well. You open it up. This is what they call a dashboard. It's so cool. You can write with dry erase or wet erase markers on here and then wipe it all off, so this can be ever changing. And then this little pouch is full of goodies. Cute little cards. Be you, not them. Tomorrow is a brand new day. Don't ever look back. The future is always forward. I think what you're supposed to do is kind of include these in a handwritten card to a friend, and it's just a cute little joy builder, I guess. What else is in this pouch? Little stickers, to and from stickers for gift tags. They're really generous with their discounts, so they give you a little, let's see, I get a 20% off with my next purchase and some other codes. This you can use for anything, I forget what it's called, but let's say you wanted this, well, let's see. A lot of people use it for their pouch. So what this will do is allow you, kind of like the ruler, you can put this anywhere. This is gonna allow you to put this pouch anywhere you want, on and off. Okay, on the go life planner. This is my life. And then Erin Condren is really known for just beautiful design. So she has inspirational quotes and bold colors throughout. One of the first pages is the year in review. This is an 18-month planner actually. So we go from July 2018 to December 2019. After the month in review is really cool. There are 12 sections in a 2-page spread that you can kind of do whatever. So you could have monthly goals, January, February, March, April. You could do anything you want. I think setting big goals is such a good idea, and I really encourage you, if you get this planner, to utilize this space. Sometimes it's just easy to get paralyzed and not use it because you don't want to mess it up, but don't be afraid to write in your planner. It's what it's for. Whatever you are, be a good one. So we'll start in July, and then it's the month at a glance. Something better at Erin Condren than my Plum Paper is there's more room to decorate. So I personally am not a big decorator, but if you are, there is a ton of room for washi and stickers and just to kind of really customize it and make it your own. There's a place for notes right here if you want to do like month planning. And then in this very bottom right hand corner is a look at the next month, which I always appreciate. For her, I got the vertical layout. I personally am a fan of the vertical layout as well. So each day has 3 sections vertically, and you can name them whatever you want. So you can do morning, afternoon, evening. You could do work, workouts, house. You can just do whatever works for you. And then there is a spot on the side to kind of do your weekly list or whatever you want really. And then at the bottom, let's see. At the bottom, there are 4 lines. I would use this for like dinner plans. I would write down our meal plans for dinner. But again, this is your life and your planner. Then at the end of the month is a blank page for notes. I like to just kind of brainstorm. You can do whatever you want, and then you move on right to the next month. Each month has a special color. So July was a blue scheme, and it looks like August is a yellow. Makes it really just fun. There's nothing like a fun planner. So we get to the end of the planner, which is December 2019, which feels so far away, right? And then we have a notes section. So just a bunch of lines for notes. And then there's also, I don't know if you can see that, it's a grid section, which some people prefer writing on that or doodling or doing bullet journaling. A couple pages of that. Oh, so this is new to me. I haven't had an Erin Condren in a few years, but it is beautiful designs in black and white, and you could color it if you wanted, kind of like an adult coloring book section right in your planner. Beautiful leaves, and then some fantasy animals. Flowers, and then a let's keep in touch if you want to write down names, phone numbers, emails. I personally have never really used this in any of my planners, but I guess it's nice to have. And then the upcoming year in advance, so 2020, and you can see just the beautiful design throughout the planner. The scheme stays throughout. Arriving at one goal is the start of another. Okay, and then the fun sticker section. It looks like she has really amped this up since I've had a planner a couple years ago. So just fun stickers. Money sticker you could put on payday, celebrate to do, birthday stickers. Just fun stuff. I personally love these squares. So there's a goals today, just for a list, and these fit perfectly in those daily sections in the vertical weekly spread. So that is so cool. I love a to-do list. So these are fun too. These are just a little vertical flag that you can put in and then write little to-dos, and it's just a beautiful way to have a checkbox. Lot of stickers. Oh my goodness, look at this. Just like little icons. So if you're gonna cook, there's a little whisk or bake. There's some gym icons, a gym bag and a dumbbell. Just so fun. Erin Condren is a fun brand. And then some customizable stickers. So it's just a little horizontal sticker with the classic Erin Condren star, and then a space to write whatever you want. The pocket at the back of this is so high quality. Ooh, and there's something here. And then the very back is another dashboard, so you can write whatever you want with dry erase, wet erase marker, and it'll come right off. And then one more little fun thing. I'm not sure what this is. Celebrate someone or something every day. Oh, Perpetual Calendar. So this is meant to carry on with you planner after planner. So after my mom is done with this, she can put this in the pocket of her new planner. So there is a page for each month. So here's February. And so let's see, my brother's birthday is February 23rd. So she would write Robbie's birthday, Valentine's Day is the 14th, all the things that happen year after year on a certain date. And then she can transfer this to her new planner and always have that with her. I've seen What is going on with my camera? I've seen some people use this for like gratitude journals. So every day they'll write something they're grateful for. People use this for a fitness little planner. So you can really be creative. So here is the beautiful Erin Condren Planner 2018-2019. And I will have a link below on how you can grab your own copy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, see the description below for some links if you're interested in buying your very own Erin Condren. And I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever your plans are. I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.